2022 IRS Tax Refunds. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another breaking IRS news alerts and updates. All right, make sure you're watching till the very end. We are sharing this information from irs.gov, and that is where you can locate it as well. We are starting with August 11, 2022 update, and this update is for tax relief for disaster victims in Kentucky, Missouri, and St. Croix. All right. Taxpayers living in those affected areas may qualify for tax relief, including an extension, a filing extension to November 15, 2022. So if you are in those affected areas and you have not filed your 2021 tax return and you need an extension, you qualify, as well as you may be eligible for certain tax relief. Also, this update is for those who have registered or required to register large trucks and buses. It is time for you to file Form 2290, which is the heavy highway vehicle use tax return, and the IRS is encouraging you to use e-file and make sure to file before the payment deadline of August 31st, 2022 for vehicles used in July of 2022. So make sure you get on that if you are in that category. Now, moving on to tax refunds still waiting to be processed. And good news, the IRS is making progress. We have another decrease. Last update, make sure you check the last video. It was at 10 million, I think 10.2 million. Now we are down to 9.7 million on processed individual tax returns, and that include tax year 2021. 1.8 million still require corrections and special handling. So there is still 1.8 million of those under review for those of you getting those 60-day, 120-day notices. And they have 7.9 million paper returns waiting to be processed. This is also a decline. Check out the previous video. This is a decline in the paper returns as well. That is good news. Unfortunately, there are still many waiting beyond 120 days. And I'm going to remind you again, make sure to contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service if you are one of the ones waiting way beyond 120 days. Call 1-877-777-4778. Keep calling until you get a tax advocate to assist you with your backlog refund. All right. Now, moving on to the amended tax returns, there was no decrease. In fact, there is a slight increase in the amended tax returns of 2.1 million on process forms 1040X, and those amended tax returns are taking beyond 20 weeks for the IRS to process. Again, you can check the Where is My Refund tool on irs.gov for the status of your amended tax returns. Now, for the good news, the next expected direct deposit date shared by your fellow taxpayers is August 17, 2022 is the next date you may finally get your money in your bank account. Make sure, even if you don't get an update on your transcript or the WMR, you are checking your bank accounts, because there are those who receive their money in their bank account without any updates on the WMR or their online transcript. All right. Make sure to share with us in the comment section if you do receive an update or if you did get your refund for the last expected direct deposit date. The IRS is also updating others that they have made changes to their tax refund. If the IRS made a change, you will be receiving a notice explaining those changes. If you do not receive those notices are coming from the Bureau of Fiscal Service. It says if you do not receive the notice within 2 weeks, you can contact the Bureau of Fiscal Service at 800-304-3107 for that notice detailing exactly why they decrease your tax refund. Now, there were some questions about codes 570, 571, and 971. 570 code means additional liability pending freeze. That means the IRS put a hold on your refund and they are reviewing it for additional tax liability. 571 means release of 570. That means they remove the freeze, they resolve whatever issues they had with your refund, and they will send you a notice explaining why. And that is what 971 means. 971 means the IRS is sending you a notice in regards to the changes made after the freeze. All right. Now, topic 308, I just want to briefly go over when you should file an amended tax return, because there were some questions in regards to this specific topic. So if you discover an error after filing your return, you may need to amend your tax return. The IRS, however, may correct mathematical clerical errors on your return, and they may even accept returns without certain required forms or schedules. In those instances, there's no need to amend your tax return. So if you believe you have a mathematical error, clerical error, or there was a certain form or schedule you were supposed to attach, the IRS may still correct that and send you your refund timely without you having to amend. So make sure you're amending for the correct reasons, because amended tax returns are delayed. It says, however, do file an amended tax return if there's a change in your filing status, income, deductions, credits, or tax liability. So if you have an error in those areas, then you want to file the amended tax return using Form 1040X Amended U.S. Individual Income Tax Return to correct a previously filed Form 1040, 1040SR, 1040A, 1040EZ, or 1040NR, and 1040 NREZ. All right, you can find more information on the amended tax returns. Just go to irs.gov and type in the search topic 308, or just type in their amended tax returns. Also, reminder, a change made on your federal income tax return may affect your state liability. So if the IRS made a change, you owed money when they finally finished the review, that could affect your state liability. So make sure you're checking on your state taxes. Check out the playlist pinned in the comment section, as well as in the description box, for the video I did on how to check your state tax refund. You can also go there to see if you owe any state taxes as a result of an action on your federal income tax return. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the tax information, breaking news information that matters to you most. I am doing the research so you do not have to, and I will see every one of you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.